It was a very intense program, which gives a holistic view on the complete business. So the teachers, they were really experienced, they were really hands-on, so it was very nice to have the lessons with them. And the other participants, I like the discussion during the day, but also in the evenings. The strength of the program is definitely that it gives a deep dive into on how the different functions work, like finance, markets, operations, and in order to how to successfully execute the business strategy. Every day I had an insight, a solution or an answer to a professional or a personal situation. So given with that and together with the tools that were given, I think I will use it daily.